Righty, before I start the video, just letting you know I put timestamps in the description, so if you want to jump to one particular part you can. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, now this is a brand new current shape Mahindra XUV700. Front pair are fitted in plain CHAR suede, mid rear and far rear are fitted in grey water resistant canvas. We'll start with the front pair, so separate headrests. Seat covers are custom made to the shape of the XUV700 seat. Any canvas or suede purchase, we give you a free bonus console top for the front. Seat covers go inside the capping. You have airbag provision on the door sides of both back. Customer has optioned open backrest backs to give mat pocket access. Because we did canvas on the middle row, we did matching canvas on the back of the front seats, just so the whole theme of the vehicle flows together. Anyone with an XUV700 knows that you have the control on the inside of the passenger side. We leave access to that so you can still slide that seat forward from the middle row. Now on to the middle row seat. So there's three separate headrests. Customers remove the center for vision. You got your center armrest with the drink holder still accessible. ISOFIX accessible on the bases. It's a 60-40 split, so our seat covers still split fold. 40 side can fold down, 60 side backrest can also fold down, but also with the 40 side, seat can still tumble forward as well. Now we move on to the far row. It's a 50-50 split, so backrest, base, still separate headrest as well. Seats can still tip forward on the far.